Welcome to English with Miss Julia. This lesson is aimed at both beginner and intermediate learners. We read a story with the title Tito the Toucan and the Rainbow Jungle. I encourage you to pause the video regularly, identify new vocabulary, and practice your pronunciation. That being said, let's get started. High in the emerald trees of the rainbow jungle lived a young toucan named Tito. He had a giant beak that shone like sunshine. Tito loved to watch the jungle wake up every morning. The sounds of birds and monkeys made him feel happy and safe. Tito's beak was bigger than anyone else's in the jungle. Sometimes the other birds stared at it. Tito pretended not to care, but deep inside he felt different. He wondered if his beak was too strange. Every day Tito flew with his best friend, Lila the lemur. Lila always told funny jokes that made Tito laugh. She said his beak was beautiful, like a rainbow. Tito smiled when he heard that. One bright morning, the jungle looked quiet and worried. The colorful fruit trees were losing their sparkle. Even the parrots were not singing loudly. Something was wrong. Tito asked his mother why the jungle felt so sad. She told him that the rainbow fruit was disappearing. Without it, the jungle would slowly lose its colors. Tito felt a heavy feeling in his chest. The rainbow fruit only grew in the misty mountains far away. No bird had visited those mountains for many years. The path was long and full of challenges. Tito had never flown that far before. That night, Tito could not sleep. He looked at the moon shining over the trees. A brave idea popped into his mind. He decided he would find the rainbow fruit himself. Early the next morning, Tito told Lila about his plan. Lila's eyes grew wide with surprise. She was scared, but also proud of Tito. She promised to help him. They packed berries, leaves, and fresh water. Tito flapped his wings nervously. His heart beat like a jungle drum. The adventure was about to begin. They flew over rivers that sparkled like silver ribbons. Fish jumped out to greet them. The jungle slowly changed into tall, rocky hills. Tito had never seen anything like it. A strong wind pushed them off course. Lila held onto Tito's feathers tightly. Tito used his big beak to balance himself. At last, they landed safely on a high branch. On the branch, they met an old turtle named Bruno. Bruno had seen the misty mountains long ago. He told them the rainbow fruit grew inside a hidden cave. Tito listened carefully. Bruno warned them about the fog that made travelers get lost. The fog could trick your eyes and ears. Tito felt a shiver, but he did not turn back. He thanked Bruno and flew on. Soon thick white mist covered everything. Lila could barely see her tail. Tito felt scared but stayed calm. He remembered Bruno's words about trusting your heart. If you're enjoying this story thus far, please consider clicking the like button and do consider subscribing to our channel. This way you may be alerted of our next story. They heard strange echoes in the fog. Some sounded like crying and some like laughter. Lila squeezed Tito's wing. Tito whispered that they must stay together. Suddenly, the fog cleared and revealed a glowing mountain. Waterfalls shimmered in every color. Tito gasped with wonder. Oh, wow! They had reached the misty mountains. At the bottom of the mountain was a dark cave. The entrance was covered in vines and moss. Tito pecked the vines gently with his beak. A soft glow came from inside. Inside the cave, crystals covered the walls. The air smelled sweet like fruit candy. In the center stood a tree with shining rainbow fruit. Tito felt tears of happiness. But just as Tito flew closer, a loud rumble shook the cave. Stones began to fall from the ceiling. Lila screamed in fear. Tito quickly used his beak to push rocks away. Tito grabbed the biggest rainbow fruit he could find. His beak wrapped around it perfectly. Lila climbed onto his back. They rushed out before the cave collapsed. Outside, they caught their breath. The mountain was quiet again. Tito looked at the glowing fruit in his beak. He felt proud and brave. The journey back felt easier. Birds they met along the way cheered for them. Tito's wings felt strong and light. He could already imagine the jungle shining again. When they reached Rainbow Jungle, everyone gathered around. The animals stared at the glowing fruit. Tito placed it carefully in the tallest tree. The jungle waited silently. Suddenly, colors burst through the air. Leaves turned bright green again. Flowers shimmered with pinks, blues, and golds. The jungle was alive once more. The parrots sang louder than ever before. Monkeys danced between the branches. Even the shy frogs joined in the celebration. Tito felt like a hero. Tito's mother hugged him tightly. She told him how proud she was. Tito felt his heart glow brighter than the rainbow fruit. He realized his beak had saved everyone. Lila announced that Tito was the bravest toucan in the jungle. Everyone clapped their wings and paws. Tito blushed under his feathers. He had never felt so special. From that day on, Tito never felt strange again. His beak was not too big. It was just right for great adventures. He walked taller than ever before. Children birds asked Tito to tell his story. He spoke about courage and kindness. He reminded them that being different is powerful. The young birds listened closely. Tito and Leela explored new parts of the jungle together. They found secret waterfalls and hidden tree houses. Every adventure felt exciting now. Fear had turned into fun. At night, Tito watched the stars sparkle. He remembered how scared he once felt. Now he knew bravery lives inside your heart. Even small birds can do big things. The rainbow fruit continued to grow every year. The jungle stayed bright and colorful. Animals protected the misty mountains with care. Tito had changed the future. One day, Tito met a tiny bird with an awkward wing. The bird felt sad and shy. Tito smiled kindly and shared his story. Hope filled the little bird's eyes. Tito realized he was more than just a toucan with a big beak. He was a leader and a friend. His journey had made him wise. The jungle loved him deeply. As the sun set over Rainbow Jungle, Tito flew high into the golden sky. The colors danced around his wings. He knew adventure would always be part of his life. And deep in his heart, Tito was happy being exactly who he was. Thank you for reading this story with us. If you enjoyed it, please click the like button and do consider subscribing to our channel. This way we may reach learners from all over the world and assist them with their English learning. We look forward to seeing you in our next lesson.